Don't mind my atrocious face. I just woke up. Yes, I'm wearing the same thing. I just passed out last night. Anyways, I haven't eaten anything yet today. I did weigh myself this morning and I'm only down like 0.02. I don't know what's going on this time. This is very weird. Like, I'm not hungry, so I'm forcing myself to eat the eggs, but then I'm not losing. Like last time I was losing. So I don't know what's going on. I've never had it be this way before. Now I've only done 2 egg fasts, so I mean, let me know down below. Have you guys ever done an egg fast and like not lost hardly anything? Like not even a pound when you did the egg fast? Like that was 2 days. I didn't even I did 2 days last time and I lost like 7 pounds total. I've done 2 full days and I've lost 0.02. But somebody in the comments had mentioned that, like, do you have farts? Yeah, I've been farting a lot. Very gassy. Also, a lot of people asked about the cheese shell. It's very easy. You just put some shredded cheese in a pan, melt it, and then I put it on like a piece of parchment paper. Like I just like pour it out and let it sit on a piece of parchment paper and let it cool. And that's it. Super easy. I'm so tired. I need some coffee or something. I got this little 6-toed. Oh, I'm sorry, he's 7-toed. He has 7 toes on every foot. His name is Venom. He's my boyfriend's cat. Look at his little feet. Can I show him your feet? Can I show him your feet? Can I see? I'm gonna show him your feet. He's like, don't touch my feet. Just pet me. Alright, guys. If my videos seem a little different to you, it's because I came to spend the weekend at my boyfriend's house, and so I didn't have my regular like setup, and so I've been recording off of my phone and then using the KineMaster app to just upload. So really, I'm not really doing much editing at all, if any. I don't have my intro and my outro, and yeah, it should go back to normal. I'm going home today, so it should go back to normal soon. All right, I'll be back later with what I ate today. Okay, so I'm home now. Oh, this hair. I'm home now, so I was able to use my scale, my new scale, my pimp scale, and guess what my scale said? My scale said I was down 3.3 pounds. So all the reason, like, stick to one scale, because I'm like doing this egg fast and I'm like, I'm not losing anything. What the heck? Like, Erin's losing all this weight. She's doing great. What am I doing wrong? That's what I kept telling myself. I wasn't doing anything wrong. I did lose weight. I lost 3.3 pounds. So now that that stress is off of my chest, I can continue to do my egg fast today. So this is day 3. This is the last day. I haven't eaten anything and it's 1 p.m. Had a crazy morning, had to get up, come back home. It's like almost a 2-hour drive. What is that a reflection of? Come home and I had to clean. And then I'm sitting down to enjoy a YouTube video, and Link must have missed me so much because he went potty on my bed. So just got done cleaning that up, shampooing the mattress and everything, and my blanket's in the washer. He's in his cage. He automatically knew, and he was mad at me for leaving him. That's what it was. He automatically knew. As soon as I walked in the room, he was staring at me, and I said, Link! And he took off running downstairs to his cage. So he knew. Not a proud moment. But yeah. So, I'm thirsty. I haven't even drank anything yet. And I woke up at 7. So I'm gonna go, I think, get a coffee, and the kids should be home from school soon. This is their last week of school, I think. Yeah. And yeah, guys, I go back to work tomorrow. I'll show you guys what I eat when I eat something. Don't forget to check out Erin's channel. She's made a lot of neat things on her egg fast. She made something really good looking last night with like some mozzarella cheese. I can't remember what it was called, but it looked amazing. She made like this crazy like Taco Bell shredded cheese that was flavored like bacon. So yeah, if you're here for egg fast, go check her out too. We're doing a collab together and she's doing amazing. So I'll see you guys soon. All right guys, it is 1:48 p.m. I have 5 eggs here with 1 serving of shredded cheddar cheese, salt, pepper, toasted onion seasoning from Fresh Jack's, and then I have my coffee with cream and 4 packets of stevia. I don't know if I'm going to be able to eat this. I'm not even hungry. I got to eat something. It's like 2 o'clock. I don't know what's going on with me not being hungry. I don't know. This didn't happen in the other egg fast like this. But I'm going to go with it. I'm just going to try to eat. If I eat it all, fine. If not, I'll save it and I'll eat the rest later. But this is my first meal of the day. Update. I did eat all 5 of those eggs. Probably in record time. Look, it's gone. And I drank my entire coffee. Now I feel like, ugh. That's how I'm feeling. I feel like I'm not going to eat anything for the rest of the day. I don't know. Why do egg fasts have to be like this? Why do I have to look here instead of here when I'm talking to you? Why have I not worn my glasses all weekend? Egg fasts make you think. Alright guys, so I finished off the night having about 4 tablespoons of egg salad, and I had a tea with some heavy whipping cream, so that was a little bit more fat, but I haven't eaten anything else for the rest of the night, and I don't think I'm going to. That's all. That is the end of day 3 for my egg fast, so hopefully when I weigh in tomorrow, I'll have some positive results. See you tomorrow.